all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discussing the remaining next continuous series of this question and answers. If you would like to go through the other videos from this series, yes, we have done almost more than 20 question and answers already we have discussed in previous videos. So just go through this series if you are preparing for the DevOps management role. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what are the next question and answers which I have prepared for you. And just let me know if you are having any concern, doubt, just put it in the comment box. Okay, let me answer. So the next question and answer which I have prepared for you is this one. That is, give me an example where you could not take a decision or a speak up because you did not have enough information. If they will ask you this question, then how you are going to answer? This is the sample answers which I have prepared for you. You can change according to your experience and mindset thought thinking. Okay, thoughts. So once in a consulting project, we were evaluating two cloud providers for a client, that is AWS and the Azure. The decision had major cost implications, right? But at that stage, we did not yet have the complete workload analysis data. What we needed, that workload analysis data, but we didn't have that the complete one. Okay, you are already aware that AWS is so much costly and Azure is low cost we're having, right? Yeah. So rather than making low cost, you can say it's a pay as you go, right? Kind of thing, right? Yeah. So rather than making a premature recommendation, I propose creating a proof of concept is a POC kind of thing. Okay, we always do in the startup projects where our everything is new. We have to do is POC first with both providers. We deployed sample workloads as well, compared latency and the cost per transaction and operational else is okay. Everything we have done and we have done the POC. That process took 2 weeks, almost 2 or 3 weeks, you can say, but it gives us concrete data. Ultimately, we went with the AWS and the client appreciated the data back decisions. Okay, the lesson I took from that was in DevOps, it it's okay to pause before deciding, as long as you are using that the pause to gather insights, not the delay action. Okay, so what enough information we were not having, that is complete workload analysis data. That's why what you have done, that is POC. Okay, after that you decide we go ahead with the AWS one, right? Okay, so the next question, what is the most difficult decision you have had to take? What was the outcome from that? Yes, one of the most toughest decision I faced was halting a production deployment for the client financial platform just hours before launch. We discovered a misconfigured IAM policy that could potentially expose sensitive data. Despite business pressure to go live, I decided to delay the deployments by 24 hours and rerun our entire security validation suite. That was the important thing, right? But that difficult decision was correct. Yeah, it was stressful call, but it was the right one because it's related to sensitive data. The postmortem revealed that multiple privileges issues that we fixed before redeploying, the client appreciated our transparency and the commitment to security as well. Right? Yeah. That incident reminded me that DevOps leadership means having the courage to protect the quality and the trust over the speed. Right? Yeah. Getting my points. This answer is really a good one. If you would like to take as it is, then it would be good. Okay, yeah. The next question, tell me about the situation where you had to solve the difficult problem thought process, execution, outcome, and what you do actually differently. Why you? It's not the normal cases, right? Yeah, which we faced always, kind of thing. Okay, what you do differently? In one of the intake platform, we were facing the frequent downtime during the peak exam hours due to the optimized auto scaling. The problem was complex because CPU usage was not only the trigger, traffic spikes were unpredictable, right? That was the issue, difficult problem. So I led a deep dive analysis, that is your thought process, using the CloudWatch and the custom metrics. Then the proposed, what is the execution, right? Multi-metric auto-scaling policy that consider both active users as well and the queue length as well. Multi-metric auto-scaling policy, right? After implementation, system means what outcome you got it. System uptime improved 99.97% and the cost efficiency as well increased by 18%. If I were to do it differently today, I would integrate AI driven predictive scaling earlier. It could have made our solution more proactive. What you would do differently? That time you used multimetric auto scaling policy. But now, of course, you will integrate AI driven predictive scaling, right? You can use it, right? So that experience reinforced me my belief that observability plus experimentation equal to long term scalability. Okay, stability is important, right? Yeah. So we have covered three most important and most complicated question answer in this today's video, right? Just prepare yourself for this management role, and if you are having any help or something, just let me know in the comment box. Just subscribe my channel, share with your friends, colleagues who are really preparing for this interview. They would really helpful for them, right? Yeah, just be with me. Thank you.